naka-receive ko sa among gi-order sa FedEx, ambot unsa ni ma-order. So dito ni drop sa akong workplace. So ayun si Gia sa niabot ang iyang iyang order. So i-pick up ni sa Puro later. So among tan-awon unahon nila mag-open o kung sa idagway ani guys. So let's do it, Gia. Do it first.
What is this?
I don't know yet. Secret is we pick it up from Puro later. So let's see what's this one. Okay, take it. Take it to the limit. Okay. Oh, it's a box. What is that? Okay. Wall mountable CD player. Oh, ganon.
I wanted a CD player. I love music. I have lots of music. CDs, rock,
CD
Led
player.
Zeppelin, Pink Floyd, Jethro Tull.
Tingnan ako palit of with DVD or Blu-ray or something. Kanang simple lang iya. Kanang only for CD. Okay, let's check it. Check it out. Oh, wow, it's so cute. It's so cute. So this is open it. Let's open. There is a hook for the wall. That's right. And for the assistant. Yeah. Okay. So this is it. That's it. It's so small. So you have to play here. It's open, no cover at all. Tanawang taniganahan ba ni siyaan eh.
This is the cover.
This is the cover.
There's
There's no cover and it's
oh.
mountable. So you can hang it on the wall
And just put the CD here, play,
and then do
And-
like this.
pull it out.
But you cannot connect your speakers. You said you will connect your speaker. This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Naday po siya pwede siguro connect speaker. Tanawang taniganahan ba ng tawanan ni? Bahala ni siya order. Order. Okay. So mao ni guys ang first CD. Na ako siya remote. Oy. So in the CD na siya remote. Ug naa siya connector sa unsa ba ni siya sa speaker. Napod siya adapter para sa charger siguro. Ug ni apod siya unsa ni? Maybe this is a stand. What is this? What is this? Pwede patilugon. O pwede sa ingana. Ay, for mounting. Yan. Ambot. Basahin niya.
I think if you don't want to mount on the wall, you can hang it. I think.
Oh, holder.
Yeah, you can put it here.
Holder sa ano sa? Pato pa. Ano na guys? You can just
No, like this. Yeah. This is rubber. It won't slip.
style sad. Bao niya. Ambot niya.
Well, we don't want to damage the wall. The
Para
landlord.
sa wall. Maog na yung mga screw. Mga na guys. So, tanawon kung di ba mo reklamo. Okay, done. Done for that. Okay, let's do the next one. What is the next one?
I also ordered.
Garbage.
I also ordered the same, but she got her order before me.
We'll see what is this. And the winner is... Oh. Hoy, nauna pang akong order. Tanawa guys. Okay, pakita ka. Nag-order ko og mask sa Wedding Star. Dili ni siya ingon nga minsan na para sa hospital. Pero this is washable. So,
These are specially made masks made by American. It's called Wedding Star. They actually,
nag-order ko duha para sa iya.
I also ordered separate. They specially made
Tanawon na to.
brides wedding gowns and wedding stuff.
Tanawon na to o ganahan ba tani?
This is new business they started making.
So this is now the print that I choose for Dia. Akong gipili. So inside na siya.
It's made of carbon, fine carbon
Na siya bangag.
filter inside.
Nag-order ko duha ka design for him. So mao ni ang star o camouflage. So mao ni ang system guys. Try. Okay, masapal ang ilong. Nice. Okay, and then mao ni siya ang i-insert sa ilalong guys. Filter. Mao ni siya ang filter. So this two for Dia. Og ang ako tan-awon ta mo sa design sa akong
You want to put filter here?
yes inside. And then look at mine. Okay, wear it Dia, try it and share it with them. But the instruction is wash first before using, okay? And this is washable. Ang filter lang ang pwede mo pilihan. So, mauni siya ang design. Mura na kag-abusayak Dia. Okay. Ang tarang duha ka klase akong gi-order pa sa ako. Okay. Kani lemon. Lemon design. Wait, mura naman kong lemon.
They have very beautiful designs. This wedding star.
Okay? Okay
Right.
ba? Kani mas maayo ni kay di na makit-an akong nao. Pangit nga no. Og ang ikaduha. Mauning ikaduha. Huhu. O diba? So mauni guys ang tapos na siya diri pwede i-adjust ang diri sa ilong kay naaman siya. What do you call this one? What do you call this?
The nasal.
Yeah, it has something there. So, mauni guys. So, kung halimbawa, di ko gusto ipakita ang akong katahom, ako nang tabunan na niya. And it's nice. I like the design. So, mauna guys ang among gibuhat. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Og amping mo diha tanan, be safe. Mag-mask naming duha para safe me. So that we are safe, we have to wear mask. Even at home. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. That is the CD player of Zia. Lahi pog style, ha? You see? It's playing. It has no cover. Makatawa man sa taan niyang ipalit, oy.